Everyone says don't worry about the small stuff. Your morning energy drink isn't making you broke. Well, I'm here to tell you that's a lie. That energy drink, that $5 fast food lunch, that last minute pack of gum at checkout, that's not all small stuff. It's 1,000 tiny paper cuts to your wallet. We've been told to aim for the big financial goals, but we're bleeding out from the little ones. It's the death by 1,000 energy drinks. That $5 a day adds up to over $1,800 a year. That's insane. That's a mortgage payment, or a good chunk of a vacation, or the beginning of your investment portfolio. Stop ignoring the small leaks because they're adding up to a tidal wave of wasted cash. It's not about being miserable, it's about being smart. Don't just drink a can of sugar, build a motherfucking life. Thanks for watching.